Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy BP, the co-owner of BlazeHosting, and this video today is a tutorial on how to use our console here at BlazeHosting. So, in order to get to your console, you want to type this into your address bar, minecraft.blazerunner44.me, and as soon as you type it, it shall redirect you to this page. Now, your email and your password is automatically sent to you once you buy a server from us. But for now, let's just get started. So your email is pretty much your email. Your password, most of the time it'll be change me one, and then you can change it as soon as you log in. So yeah, but I already changed the password for this login. So let's get going. So you click remember me, and then you log in. Alright, so this is the main interface of your login. So my servers, all of your servers that you buy will be on this section. TOTP settings, you don't have to worry too much about this, so for now I'm going to just skip this. Settings. Your current password, which will be by default change v1, and then you'll pretty much change your password. So if you want a new password, type your new password, and then you type it again. Same thing for email, your new email, and then whatever your current password is, and then you click the update email or change password button. This is your notification. If you want us to keep sending you emails, then this right here, all you do is either say please email me or don't email me, and then you type in your password and you hit update preferences. So let's go to the server now. So after you buy a server, it'll be on the my servers list, which is right here. So in this case, I made a tutorial server just for the sake of this video. So you click. So before we click on it, for the server IP, it shows right here. So this is a server IP where you type it in Minecraft, and then you can connect to your own server with copying this whole thing, and then you press copy, and then in Minecraft, Control V. So now let's click on the server. You left click on the blue. This is the main interface of your server console now. Memory usage, I wouldn't worry about memory usage or CPU usage that much, since we don't really put a cap limit to our memory usage or CPU usage, so you don't have to worry about that. Server IP is here again, in case you missed it the first time. And I wouldn't worry about these three things that much either. Control server, if it's not simple enough already, this is where you control your server. This is where you can type console commands. This is where you start your server. This restarts your server, and of course this stops your server. And then this right here just shows your console in like a small window. Remote requests. This is normally for SSH. Like if you want to do SSH to your server, well, you click on remote requests, and then this all the details needed to SSH to your server. Okay, file manager. This is where you upload plugins or files to your server. Now, you can't really upload folders, so in order to upload folders, you need to get a program called FileZilla, which the link to FileZilla will be in the description below, but you download FileZilla, and then I'll put another tutorial video after this video that shows how to use FileZilla if you're not already familiar with it. So this is all your files. Now you never want to delete server.jar unless you're replacing your .jar with another jar. And if that is the case, you always want to rename your jar for your server like this, server.jar. You never want to make it anything else, otherwise it's not going to work. And the blue button, you can download your files, which is a pretty cool feature with us. And the red button deletes everything that you want to get deleted. So for example, let's go to plugins. So plugins, all of this right here, essentials, we have all this by default for this tutorial server. But yeah, and if you do want to upload files, you would have to go inside the dictionary, for example, /public/plugins. That's the dictionary we're in right now if you want to upload a plugin. So if you do want to upload a plugin, you click this plus button, then you go to upload files, and then you go to your library, and then you upload whatever you want. and then you drag it to this right here. So simple enough. Alright, so manage sub users. This is if you want to, let's say you want to have a friend or family have access to your console, which again, this is a cool feature with us. So you press add sub user, you type in their email, and then these are the permissions. View console lets them view console, send command lets them send commands, control power lets them turn your server on and off, view files, you know, all of this, edit files, save files, download files, compress or decompress files, create new files, upload files, delete files, which is not recommended for a sub user unless you really trust the person, then you go ahead. View manager, this is for FileZilla. If you want the person to view your FileZilla details, then you can check this. If you want the person to change your FileZilla password, then you also check this. But like I said, we don't recommend you check this. Server management. This is where your FileZilla is pretty much, your FileZilla login is. The host, you copy and paste it to FileZilla like this, and then your username as well, you copy and paste. New password, you type in whatever you want, like let's just say we type in whatever, then we press change password, and then yeah. So this is pretty much all for your FileZilla access, and everything is right here. So you, whatever you want, you type in your password and then you press change password, and it's pretty simple, honestly. So this is pretty much it for today's tutorial, and expect a new tutorial video on how to use FileZilla pretty soon, made by us. And like I said, this is your boy bp.doesmc, the co-owner of BlazeHosting, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace.